There's like, fun doesn't do justice, but some of the drifting right here is like, I don't know, that's probably about 4 inches. It's extremely cold. It's hard to walk in. Look at that. That's like 5-6 inches right there. It's snow. There's a whole lot of drifting going on. And it's hard to see because there's snow flying in my face. See how deep this is right here. No, it's not as deep as I thought. Yeah, there's a visibility is going down too. There's a whole lot of snow. That's all I can say. I don't know if you can tell how deep some of it is. It's a little bit hard to walk in. Whoa. Yeah. That's about it.